I came in the world crying and fussing. Nigga, we ain't have nothing. Every ghetto, I know the same. We trying to make a little change.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back with your boy, Trey from Trey and Armon. I just gave him a quick edge up today, but you know they just got off the Forever tour. You know, check their album out. Forever, the single, you know what I mean? They had the LP, EP, about 7 songs, you know what I mean? Yeah, today he didn't want to get a haircut, so he just doing the edge up, so I got another crispy edge up tutorial for you, you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna jump right into it. So, right here, hit him with the spritz. Not spritz, holding spray. I'm using the Freeze holding spray. You can find it at Sally's in the purple can. I like it. It really holds well. Keeps the skin dry and everything like that. Holds the hair in place. Right here, you just want to cut the hair down, make everything smooth. It was uneven before I started. Sometimes when you're traveling, you get a lot of different barbers cutting your hair and stuff like that. So just brought it down to what I needed. It probably haven't been cut in a while, so you see you got a couple of light spots there, but I'll fill them in later. So as usual, just start from the middle, work your way over, tap it, pull down, tap, pull down. You see that? That's how you do that. You tap and pull down. Go left to right, right to left, whatever works for you. I think I cut Trey hair maybe 20 times, 30 times by now, so I'm very familiar with his hair. So when they lived in Houston, I cut it all the time. Now that they moved to Atlanta, I see him only when he comes back to Houston. So you see that, and then you work on the curve, use the edge, the corner of the blade. Corner of the blade, use it like a pencil. Try to get it as clean as possible. Like I say, sometimes you don't have to make the strongest line right away. You want a guideline or outline, you know, whatever you want to call it. So you see that. Coming over, and again, I'm using the rose gold effects, and if you don't know how to set them, I got a video on how to set them, what you need to do to make them hit a little better. Like I said, those wasn't good coming straight out the box, so I had to find a way to make them work for me. You gotta do a little work to get them to hit right, but once you get them to hit right, they're good because the motor is strong. It's a powerful cordless trimmer, so the best one for me anyway. So I know a lot of people like the Slimline Pros, but I don't really like them because it's a little too light. I like to feel the clipper in my hand, be able to feel the weight of the clipper in my hand. It gives me a little bit more balance. And right there, I'm just doing the other side. Now, a lot of times you don't want to go across the person's head or body that way. I did that for purpose of the video. Sometimes you won't get it straight doing it that way. I like to stand right in front of them, but like I said, for purpose of the video, I did it that way just to show you. See, I turned them around to the angle I really like to do it from, to do the edge ups. It gives me the best view. So whenever the person's in your chair, you gotta stand right in front of them, but you have to find the best area for you to do that. It could be to your left, it could be to your right, it could be spot on, whatever is comfortable for you. So you see that. So he said, yeah, so he was saying that he don't want it round, which I never do, but maybe somebody did it round before. So now we're working on it, on the side of it. I faced him to the mirror so I can see exactly what I'm doing right here. So I put some enhancement on his hair already. You can see I filled in the light spots. So this boy is playing in the camera. I didn't even realize that. But yeah, so you see that? I made the pre-line first, and then you want to come back and use Top It or Kiss Express, whatever you use. A lot of people using different things nowadays. You got the guy that from the Beam team or Beam himself. He has a spray gun that he used, the art gun that sprays the Kiss expression. That's a good way to use, good thing to use for enhancements. Also, you can use Topic, or also you can just use Kiss and brush it on yourself. Whatever works for you. You kind of want to get it done the best and fastest way. I think the spray gun is coming along because it allows you to distribute it evenly over the hair, and it's quicker. So, and me, I kind of like the semi-permanent color better because it lasts longer than the Topic does. So that's my opinion on that. So again, so when you're doing the curve on the sides, you want to use the corner of the blade. You see that? See, I got the air gun too. See? Hit it. Boom. Make it clean. Just to make everything pop out a little better. Come back. Hit it. Tap it. Wish I could have showed y'all the full video of the haircut, but he didn't want to get a haircut, so I set up for the quick, crispy edge up. And all this is real time, so it really doesn't take but about a good 12 to 14 minutes with me to do it all. Give or take, I cut out a couple clips, but nothing was really going on in those clips. This is actual work time, so gotta trim that little hairs on his beard and everything. Make sure it's right. He trying to get his beard to look like mine. He got a long way to go though. Gotta put in some work to get it like this here, man. So anyway, yeah, so you just trim it, get everything together. See that? He got the starter beard. That's the starter beard kit. You can see that right there? So yeah, you want to pull up and away, so make sure you can see where you putting the blade at for the beard, because man, beard is important. So you don't want to take too much off, because that's, for some, that's all we got. Like me, I only have hair on my beard. You know, I'm bald at the top, so if a person mess my beard up, we're gonna have a problem. So I do mine myself. And also I got a tutorial on that too, if you want to check that out to learn how you do your own beard. And while we at it, you need to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend or tell a friend. You know how we do it. You know what I mean? So yeah, tell some other people about it. Make sure you leave comments. Tell me how I did on the haircut. For some reason, people don't like to leave comments nowadays. I guess I got to be on Twitter or something, or, you know, Instagram or something, man. I got to do something controversial for people to leave comments. I don't never know if I'm doing good or not, you know what I mean? So right here, just hitting that curve around the ear, making it look good. See how I got him? More fresh, fire. Yeah. So, see that? Same thing on the other side. Want to do that also. Keep them clean. Pull up. You don't want to really push down. You want to put it up and pull up. Put it where you at and pull up, so you don't mess nothing up, you know? He still want me, he might want me to trim it down some more. I forgot what he said right there, but You get in, you pull up, come around where you can really see. This is the day I had all the gang inside the shop. You see Chris Sales right there. He had baby Chris with him. Antonio was with him. Jordan Lacey was with him. Armon was with him. And the 3 girls, I think they dancers. I don't really know their name though. That was my first time meeting them. They were there also. So everybody was there that day. Oh, he liked that. See that? Checking himself out. You're like, nah, I'm good. I'm good. Trim my beard a little bit, knock me down. Give me that starter kit beard fresh, man. Starter kit beard. In the early stages, rough stages, but eventually he'll get there a little older. He's still young. What is he, about 19? I think he's going on 20 or something like that. So he got a little ways to go. He'll get there eventually. And you know, you always want to make sure your work is good. If you see anything out of place, go back, tap it. You know, and that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Mr. Outliner on IG. Check me out. Share it, like it. You know what I mean? Let me know how I'm doing. Trey from Trey and Armon. Go listen to the EP, the Forever song. It's lit. We in the building. Let's go.